Stop uploading PDFs straight to Claude. You're burning 6 times more tokens than you need to, and your monthly bill is hiding it. If you're running invoices, receipts, or contracts through Claude at any kind of volume, I'll show you the exact 25-line pre-processing step that cut one client's anthropic bill from $168 a month to $20. Most tutorials test this on clean English invoices. I'll show you what actually happens with Serbian VAT documents, where fricotas silently corrupt. I'm Lazar. I build invoice automation pipelines for clients daily. Let me show you the actual token counter first. Here's the setup. Same invoice, 2 paths. On the left, I drag the PDF straight into Claude the way every tutorial tells you to. Token counter says 8,200 input tokens. At Sonnet pricing, that's about 2.5 cents per document. Feels cheap. It isn't. Multiply by 800 invoices a month for one small accounting client, and you're at $168 before you've extracted a single field. On the right, same invoice, but I pre-process it first. First invoice, but I pre-process it first. 15th of a cent each. Same client, same month, $20 total. The accuracy went up, not down. Here's why Claude's PDF upload is so expensive. When you send a PDF directly, Claude doesn't just read text. It re-renders every page as an image, runs vision on it, and also extracts the text layer. You're paying for both. For a clean digital invoice that already has perfect selectable text, that vision pass is pure waste. The fix is 25 lines of Python. Import pdfplumber. Open the PDF loop through pages, pull text and tables separately, and format them as a structured plain text block with clear section headers like invoice, items, totals, items, totals. Then send that string to Claude with a normal API call. That's it. No vector database, no chunking strategy, no fancy framework. Now the warning nobody mentions. If you're processing documents in Serbian, Cyrillic, German, Czech, anything outside basic ASCII, you have to set encoding explicitly to UTF-8 when you write that intermediate string. pdfplumber will happily hand you back mangled characters, and Claude will hallucinate corrections without telling you. I learned this the hard way when a client's VAT numbers started coming back with random Latin substitutions. One-line fix. Open the file with encoding equals UTF-8. But if you skip it, you'll be debugging silent data corruption for a week. Here's the real cost spreadsheet from one client running this in production. 800 supplier invoices a month, mixed Serbian and EU formats, mixed currencies. Direct upload column, $168. Pre-processed column, $20. Extraction accuracy went from 91% to 96% because structured text removes Claude's guesswork about layout. That's $148 a month saved and better data from one pre-processing step that took an afternoon to write. If you're processing invoices, receipts, or contracts at any kind of volume and your anthropic bill is climbing, this is exactly the kind of ingestion pipeline we build for clients. See real examples of what we ship at bizflow.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown finds you. And if you want this built for your stack, book a free 30-minute discovery call at bizflow.io, and we'll map out where the savings hide.